See, what you want when you go to a theater is really subpar seating. Hurt your back, hurt your hips. You can't see the screen. That's what you want. And the reason why is you won't fall asleep watching the show. All right, I've got to change some security cameras today. Security cameras. The cameras that we have in here now are getting a little outdated. We put them in I think 2018, not long after we bought the business. They are Amcrest cameras. Shout out to Amcrest. They've worked great for all these years, but they're outdated. They haven't had a firmware update since 2020. I'm going to change those out, just let you guys hang out with me here a little bit. It is Saturday morning, and that's kind of what comes along with business ownership, is sometimes you're here working off hours to keep things moving forward. And so, yeah, you're just going to hang out with me a little bit today while I change cameras and kind of see what's going on there. Maybe I'll give you a tour of the facility. People think that there's sparkly magic that goes on behind the scenes at movie theaters, and usually that sparkly magic is just a lot of old dust and trying to keep the mice from coming in the back door. Mice might be fairies, I don't know. Maybe they are. And they sprinkle special dust. Got a pop machine. Got a pop machine right here. That's a necessity for theaters. My favorite stop, probably. I can get my fill of popcorn. My wife can't. She will eat popcorn, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I'm going to be honest with you, there is nothing better than hot theater popcorn with the right amount of highly processed butter topping on it and salt. Okay, let's go change some cameras. Let's do that. Well, I guess if I fall, you guys will all be witness to it. Ooh, it's a little dirty there. All right, so we're gonna take you down and plug that guy. Oh, heck. Yeah, this is, I thought, this will be a little bit more work than I want it to be, because we've got different power cords. Darn it. All right. Well, we'll figure something else out. We'll have to run some power cord. All right, think I got it. Just had to reroute this new power wire. Kind of back through here. We're gonna mount this guy here. All right. Wow, 4 megapixel. Well, that's twice as many megapixels as 2. All right, there, she's powered up. Booting up. All right, cool. Well, I'm gonna get that configured and we'll move on to the next one. I am a professional ladder carrier. Next. Cámara dos. You know, theaters don't have to be high tech. Microwave and a toaster oven. It's how you cook your pretzels. It's how you cook your mini pizzas. You know, theater food. Sure, there's other theaters you can go to where they give you a recliner And they give you, you know, the option to buy a cheeseburger or lasagna. I don't know what they serve at those places. I've been to them. They're nice. I haven't really ordered big menu items there, but I was at the ones with the recliner. That's pretty nice. But man, I tell you what, the best thing about those recliners is they'll put you to sleep. See, what you want when you go to a theater is really subpar seating. Hurt your back, hurt your hips. You know, the guy in front of you, he's got his big old domed head right in front of you. You can't see the screen. That's what you want. And the reason why is you won't fall asleep watching the show. That's why. Oh, hey, A+. I don't know if y'all can see that. I've only gotten a few A+ in my life at anything. So I want to tell you, when you get the one from the county health guy, it's the one you want. Okay, let's swap this bugger out. I know that was bothering you guys. It was bothering me too. Having lights out bothers me. Camera 2 done. This is taking way too long. All right, next one. Man, I thought I was getting allergies. And this morning I have allergy problems, seasonal allergies, dust allergies, whatever you want to call it. But man, it hasn't gone away today, and I took medicine. I kind of wonder if it's something more than that. It's glamorous. Glamorous work. There, that's gooder. As my dad would say, that's a gooder. And from there it just goes down. Yes, this mess is our lost and found. It's kind of ugly. But you want it to be where people can look in it if they misplace their items, right? That's right. That's right, Byron. That's right. What in the tarnation? What is all this stuff? Oh, I wonder if my wife knows there's vacuum parts in there. I'm guessing those don't go to anything. What do they say on them? They say, oh, they say shark. They're probably for that shark vacuum right there. We're gonna move them over here. Right where she probably will get mad at me for putting them. All right. People down the street were saying, oh, that guy's got a stapler. He must be a pro. Well, it could be. Could be. It might be. Oh, yeah, that's what we're talking about. People probably think, watching this video, that I don't know how to run a stapler. Well, I run staplers. Oh, I've been running staplers for years. Oh yeah, there, yeah, that's good. He's a stapler king. He's a stapler king. All right, next one. Well, if you see this other hole up here, don't pay any attention to that. That was a few years ago. That was me getting it wrong. Sometimes you gotta drill twice to make it nice, as they say, or as I say. I think I just made that up. Okay, ingenuity time, Redneck Engineering 101. You want to pull the wire through the wall, use the old wire to do it. So we're just going to grab this end right here. There's the new end, which is a micro USB end. It's right there. I just taped it onto the old wire. Now we're going to go to the other side and pull it through. There. Ha 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 ha. Yes. All right. Cool. Well, we'll just finish getting this guy set up. Yeah. I would say it's time to empty out this fella. If you feel like you've ever lost anything at the Dome Theater, come look for it. We got lots of stuff. There's boots in here, kids' boots, jackets, gloves, knickknacks, glasses, the tiara, of course. So many things. Little purse, rings, buckets. All right. I got one more to do upstairs and I'll be done. Well, this looks suspect. I have a different ladder I should probably use. I'm gonna see if this one will work for this right now. If it's too steep, I won't do it. Yeah. I think I better find my other ladder. This looks like me filing a work comp claim on myself here. Down we go. So, you know, our ceilings down here in the lowest part of the auditorium are about 30 feet tall. When you got tall, you got tall ceilings, you have tall ladders around. So this guy here is it's a tool for the job. Let's get a camera. First, we better go on the other side, make sure it's plugged in over there. Let's do that. All right, now we just got to run back up into the old projector room and see if we can get this thing plugged in so we got power and we can test the camera, all that good stuff. You guys just sit right there for a second. Where are you at there, little fella? Lights on. There we go. Let's see what we got. Well, what in... Oh, there it is. It's clear over here. Hiding from us. Oh, man, I don't know if I have a plug. Maybe. I've got more stuff plugged into stuff up here. Kind of remind you of Ralphie's dad. Oh, yeah, we got juice. Okay, well, let's go back downstairs and see if it works. Take this little guy off. All right, let's pray for power here. This, juice. We've got juice. There it is. In the famous words of Kramer, installed. Okay, gonna put the dragon back in its den here. Excuse me, look out. Here we go. There we go, get that out of the way. you ever feel like you got too much stuff? When I had mentioned that I thought maybe I would give a tour of the inside of the theater, we're gonna wait till next time because it is, well, it's early dinner time. My family works tonight. We're showing a movie and they'd like to get some dinner first. So we're gonna go to the Mexican restaurant in about 15 minutes, which means I need to clean up, put away a few things, put all my waste boxing in the garbage. Camera install didn't go too bad. Had to reroute a few wires to, get power to things, but it all came together just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and I'm gonna go meet those guys for dinner, eat myself a burrito that's bigger than my intestines, and just enjoy some time with my family. So we will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Again, if you have questions about how a theater works, stay tuned. Maybe ask a few questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Oh no! That broke easy. Stay, boy. All right, here we go. Let's go this way. There we go. There we go. All right.